This is the 2021 Destroyer Heat Forum. Greetings, Destroyer family. My name is Lieutenant Sweeney, HHT Medical Platoon Leader and Brigade Meadow.
I am Staff Sergeant Boyer. I am the HHT Medical Platoon Sergeant.
The importance of this year's 2021 Heat Forum is to save lives. We'd like to stop trends that have happened across Fort Benning within the last few years.
As Lieutenant Sweeney was talking about the trends of heat illness at Fort Benning, we want to stress the importance of these soldiers out here, our sons, daughters, brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, loved ones, and we want to do what we can to help save their lives and save the lives of others by having adequate planning, making sure that everyone knows the importance of signs and symptoms of heat illnesses and knowing what their body is telling them. When they feel something is not right, they need to speak up and say something doesn't feel right, and that way they can get the help that they need.
Fort Benning trends. Heat strokes can kill. Scientific literature reports mortality rates from 4 to 26%. At Fort Benning, 2011 to present, over 600 heat stroke cases. Fatalities, 0.3% mortality rate. Why? Rapid application of aggressive cooling. Upon arrival at BMOC with core temperatures exceeding 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 92% of all heat casualties, 84% of all external heat stroke cases. Top 3 events that cause heat injuries. Foot march with load, 107 cases, 24% in total. Field training, 88 cases, 20% in total. Running, 65 cases, 15% in total. Lower risk events, march, no load, 7 cases. APFT/ACFT, 6 cases. Training indoors, 2 cases. Between April 15th to September 16th are the weeks that we have the most heat injuries. The problem: heat injuries occur when the temperature is above 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Coldest air temperature is at 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Core temp of all heat injuries, 108 degrees Fahrenheit, and this includes kidney failure.
Some of the heat injuries that everyone will encounter: heat cramps, most mild form of exertional heat injury, more related to exertion than heat, may be related to excess sodium and electrolyte loss, muscular fatigue following exercise, usually managed at point of injury with oral hydration, replace electrolytes, and stretching. Next is heat exhaustion, non-specific signs, mild to moderate illness, usually from loss of salt or fluid, normal mental status, no confusion. Core temp may be elevated, but typically less than 103 degrees. No end organ damage. And next is heat stroke, heat injury plus mental status change, frequently associated with multiple system organ failure and critical illness. Core temps typically are above 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is considered a medical emergency. All right, next we're going to discuss hydration for heat illness prevention. Those who are at risk for heat illness, you need to have adequate hydration, heat acclimatization, wearing appropriate clothing, proper physical fitness, proper use and education of dietary supplements and medication, adequate diet, limit alcohol use 24 hours prior to training, and sunscreen.
Individual responsibilities: maintain proper hydration and nutrition, adequate sleep prior to training. Notify cadre when self or battle buddy shows signs of heat illness. Leadership responsibilities, man down drills, AXP location knowledge. Have ice sheets available. Don't wait until a real-life heat casualty to conduct heat illness training rehearsals. The problem, 14 casualties without ice sheets in 2020. Special leadership consideration, heat stress, training/mission requirements, identify high-risk warfighters, implement heat stress mitigation, observe and modify behavior.
Care for casualty and ice sheet application process. First thing you want to do is always move casualty to a shaded area. Lay the casualty on their back. Remove ice sheets from the cooler containing ice. Apply ice sheets to back of neck, armpits, and groin. And allow medics and EMS personnel to continue further treatment to next echelon of care. Always make sure to call 911 or medics on range prior to ice sheets being applied.
Here are a list of resources provided.
The links have been provided in the post. If you have any further questions, please see our contact information and contact us if you would like more training on heat illness prevention.
Destroyers!